So Phantom is going to see that his master is in trouble. He's gonna phase right through Beetlejuice like the good ghost that he is, and he's gonna use that quick astonish on Choodle.
All right, astonish. Go for the roll. All right, this lands, and he's okay. So you know who just after you slap Choodle in the face, Choodle's sort of like confused, like this guy's attacking me. What in the world? But then bump sucking Phantom just phases through your bump sucking chest, and he's like, ah! And then Choodle's like, ah! And then he's down. Ah! And yeah, he's unconscious. All right. Oh, you bump sucking grab his melee horn and you like suck out the essence, the energy out of him, and it really hurts. And he's like, oh! And then like it hurts really bad, and wow, it hurts. And then it does a clean 15 damage to him. All right.
Back to full HP.